Introducing Malaysia's new unmanned ground drone, the TUAH, a powerhouse of modern tactical innovation. Designed for combat support, surveillance, and critical supply missions, it removes human personnel from the line of fire. Presented at the DSA 2026 exhibition in Kuala Lumpur, the TUAH is a landmark collaboration between DEFTECH and UMPSA University. Its low silhouette and angular frame are built for stealth, minimizing detection in high-risk environments. The platform runs on a hybrid electric system, delivering high torque with a near-silent operational footprint. Built on a modular architecture, the TUAH adapts to the battlefield as quickly as the mission changes. Equipped with a retractable sensor mast and a versatile payload bay, it provides total situational awareness. Navigation is driven by a sophisticated interface integrating LiDAR, camera feeds, and real-time GPS tracking. Using advanced SLAM technology, the TUAH navigates complex, unknown environments with full autonomy. The heart of the system is a modular skateboard-type chassis, designed for a low center of gravity and maximum stability. Its 4x4 configuration and electric power system are optimized for rugged terrain and tactical endurance. In its logistics role, it serves as a lifeline, transporting supplies and medical kits through dangerous zones. Within minutes, it transforms into a reconnaissance unit, scouting the path ahead for human infantry. When the mission demands it, the TUAH becomes a combat robot, capable of suppressing enemy positions from cover. The core autonomous technologies are developed locally by UMPSA, leveraging years of expertise in self-driving systems. The TUAH enters the global stage alongside systems like the THEMIS and Mission Master, proving its world-class potential. Optimized for Southeast Asia, its domestic software is specifically adapted for challenging tropical conditions. From dense forests to tight urban corridors, the TUAH provides a strategic advantage where human presence is too risky. It is the ultimate scout for remote border zones and island positions where the risk of ambush is high. While currently a demonstration prototype, global interest is already surging across ASEAN and beyond. This is the next generation of ground combat, autonomous, adaptable, and built for the modern battlefield. The future of tactical robotics is here. Like this video and subscribe for more defense and tech updates.